Take a ride in the 2018 Acura TLX. The Acura TLX impresses drivers with its nimble handling, great fuel economy, and long list of high-tech features. It comes with an extremely quiet interior, spacious front seats, and smooth ride quality, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, one owner, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
When purchasing an Acura certified pre-owned vehicle, you can expect the same uncompromising standards of a brand new Acura. The Acura dealership technicians ensure that every vehicle upholds the luxury and sophistication of the Acura name. Acura certified pre-owned. Once an Acura, always an Acura. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.